Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that 999 that arrived a couple days ago. 14 bucks on eBay. As you see, it actually looks quite respectable now. Front truck, rear truck, E-unit works, headlight works, has a front lens, has new screws, as you see. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. I got it on the second rail with, I think, 14 Lionel cars. So, thought I'd do a quick video on this. As you see, this old locomotive runs really, really well. Bring this up to speed. And there's 50% power pulling 14 cars. So, it actually runs really, really well. It looks nice, it runs well, it was cheap, that being a relative term. 14 bucks, I had to put a rear truck on it. I had to put a lens in it. But as far as repairing, nothing. I didn't have to repair anything. Just oiling, cleaning, lubrication. As you see, up and running. So this reinforces everything I say. Don't overlook the junk. This thing was 14 bucks and it was a wreck when I took it out of the box. And as you see, it looks nice, it runs nice, inexpensive. This thing will last the rest of your life. So you can do this pennies on the dollar just by doing things just like this. Look for the stuff that nobody else wants. If you're willing to get your hands dirty, and if you got a supply of parts, and of course the tools, you can fix anything you can find on eBay. You can find some real bargains. So as you see, this is running just absolutely splendidly. No problems with it at all. Looks nice, runs nice, inexpensive, it was fun to fix, and runs like new. Forward and reverse, working headlight. No issues, no problems of any kind. It's a great running locomotive, as you see. So again, I've got to say it, don't overlook the junk. So just a quick follow-up on this 999, probably be the last video on it. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.